Welcome. In this video lesson, I'll explain how I made this outstanding flyer design for a loan company. Remember in my last video, I told you when designing a flyer design for a company brand or personal use, what you need is the company's logo, company's name, company's catchy topic, company's elements as image to represent the company, then or image you're gonna use for the design, and company's contact address and location. That's all you just need for a flyer design. No more information than what I just said. And as well as color combination, just know how to place your color you get and the layout. That's what you just need to get a perfect flyer design. Time wasting much time, let's go into the video. This image, this one I already did this on myself. You can see all these, you can see that I did it myself, but I'm just gonna redo it here again. This one is just basically background. You get, then you get the picture, you fit it to background, which I already did that one already. That's, I'm not gonna waste my time for that one, which I already explained that in my other video. We're gonna move this background. Shortcut is what F12 none. Then okay, see, just remove the background for that one. Then next, I'm gonna move this one here. I'm not gonna do it again. The reason because I already did it in instance. So I'm just gonna when I shift key to duplicate. Then when I use a shift key, I drag it. Then I just right click in my mouse. That's how to duplicate. You get that? Okay, now apply a minute. This one is very simple. Just normal text. Then I use 40pt. Then I use this Gonti route. See that? So I'm just gonna. Then this one I used Nexa Vote in 24pt. I'm just gonna group these two. Then I'm gonna move. Remember, always hold your shift key. And as a beginner, don't get confused or don't rush when designing. I always say that don't feel how you gonna get it hurry. Don't hurry design. You see, I'm not gonna edit it. I'm just gonna leave it plain black for you to know that you can also make mistake as a beginner. Don't rush. Just take it slowly. I use Nessa board and as well, and I use 14 points in this video lesson. I'm just gonna move. I'm gonna hold my shift key. Don't forget, but for you, you're gonna type it again because you've not gotten that. Again, I'm not gonna. I don't want to make it to be too lengthy. As I'm just taking my time. I'm not taking wasting much time. And this one as well. Sorry, but to get this tick online. Then this one is applied. I'm using lesser board. Remember, in design, you don't need too many fonts. You don't need too many fonts. What you just need like 2 to 3 fonts. That's what you just need to get a perfect flyer. Understand? So you don't need much font. Okay, now let's move this one here. This one like this. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna hold my shift key. You can see that, right? Yeah, like this. Very good. You can see it's coming to life. It's coming to life. That was how I did it. Very simple. Then as well as this other one. This one was very simple. This one was very simple. Let me ungroup and show you what I did there. This one is very. Let me ungroup again. This thing you can see the I was on at this Ctrl Z. Then I just drew normal text box. So just text box. Then I decided. Then I curved the edge. Where is that to curve edge? Let's click on this. Then I curve edge. Curve the edge just like this. Then I gave it this color. What's the color's name? Arrow. I think where is the color here? I think you can pick anyone from here, but ghost green, not ghost green. Oh, I can't find the color, but it's already, so I'm just gonna put that. Yeah, I'm gonna click on F12 to remove my outline, none, then okay. You can see that. I was I got this one. Then this other one, the same thing. I just duplicate the shape. I just give it this other color. I think it was this color I used. Yeah, very good. And just give it this other. I think this one is desert blue. No, no, not desert blue. Desert blue is thick. Then this sky blue can also work if you want to use that. Just trying to use just use color that match for you. Get, and this other one is very simple. This one is very simple. Now let me delete and do it again. I just drew it's just normal shape circle and I just hold my shift key. I have to get a perfect circle just like that. Then I gave you this color, this first color. Remember, I'm just gonna click to remove background to remove the outline. Then how did I make this like this? If you can see, design is not really difficult to. If you just know the basics of it, you're good to go. You can design any design of your choice. So let's just do this one. I already explained that in my previous video. If you know yet to do that, please go and watch, or if you're ready to subscribe, just take 1 second to do that and turn on the notification bell to be the first to see or learn amazing video I'm going to drop from this channel. And I'm going to click on F12. Let's continue. Click on F11. I mean F11. You can see that. You can see. I'm just gonna move this way. Just follow my process, and you can see that was how I got that one. Very simple. Let me move this one a little bit like this. No, not too much. Good. And keep it like this. You can see that was how I did that one. Not more than that. Just very simple. I'm not gonna use all these ones. I'm just gonna use this one I already used. I'm gonna F4. Just gonna copy all that. And the tapping, I also use Nessa bold. It says Nessa bold font. I love using that font because it's just standard. Just standard. If you want me to explain how to download or how to get fonts to your system, how to get fonts to your CorelDRAW, you don't have to do that. You can put that in the comment section, then I'll make that in my next video. Then this one is very simple. This line here, very simple. Let me just open this one. As I just double clicked on it, just gonna draw this here, same like this. Then I didn't give any color to the shape. I just gave it outline. The outline I used was, let me see, this one number 3. One is small. 25 is too much. 0.125 is too much. Let's say 0.28. No, this one is not enough. Let's say 3, not enough. Let's say 6. Okay, yes, this one is enough. Now just change the color. Just click on F12 to change the color to white. Remember, in drawing shape or this kind of giving outline, you're not going to click scale with object and behind fill. You only do this, it's only applicable to text only. So that is okay. Then that was how I did that one and finish editing. You can see that very simple. Okay, no, the PTI was too much. 3 6 lasers 3. Yeah, let's see. Very good. I use this one. Then this other one is just normal black shape. I'm gonna hold my shift key, drag, and I'm gonna drop, just reposition it. Very simple like that. Very simple. You can see that it's coming to life. Then this one is just normal text. See this one. I just use normal. Let me ungroup and show you what I did there. Then just normal Nexa bold. I give it black color, then I give it white outline. See something. Let me retire this. Let me just retire this contact ox now. Show you something. Contact us now. How did I get this double column? Very small. Just hold your shift key, click on this double column on your keyboard. I already told you shortcut to go back to your pick tool. Remember, pick tool is the tool you go to if you want to select other tools. I'm going to change this to all. No, not I didn't use Modin. I'm going to change this to Nexa. This one is Nexa Light, so I'm going to change come over here to Nexa Bold. Then I used 12. I'm going to use 12 here, I swear. It's 12. So it's already black already, you can see. But I'm going to give it white outline. I'm going to click on F12. Then you see, but that line is black. I don't need black. I need a white. You can see what I'm doing. You see, it's too much, right? Look on scale with object and behind fill. You can see that very simple. Behind fill and scale means the outline that you apply to the text is going to go back to the text, not front of the text. It's only up enjoy a draw shape or draw a text then shape, right? That's what you don't need to turn on your when you don't need to turn on your scale with object and behind fill. Got that right? So I'm gonna okay this. I don't need this already. I just showed you I did that one. I did that one in F4. This one is just normal typing. Remember I told you when designing, you just need your contact address and all that stuff. That's very simple, not complicated like that. And I'm sure you'll need very useful information from this channel because here I simplify designs. You don't really need to stress yourself that much. Start look for how to design a lot of things. So I'm convinced, it is my hope you've learned how to design a flyer design for a loan company with what I just showed you in these few minutes. I'm recording, I don't know the minutes I've used, but I'm sure with these few minutes of mine, I'm convinced you already know how to use it. I'm gonna click on F9 in your keyboard for you to see everything. Just this one I did this on myself, and I should walk through the process of how I made this flyer. So thanks for watching, thanks for skill me. I'll catch you in my next video. If you want to design, want to do tutorial on any other design, please drop that in the comment section. I'm gonna check it out and do that in my next video. Thank you for watching.